If you are suffering with damaged, frizzy hair, then do watch this hair straightening DIY. This one-time wash will leave your hair highly manageable, shiny and dazzling. For the preparation, you will need half cup of rice, half cup of flax seeds, a glass of water and 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. For the process, you need to take half cup of rice with half cup of flax seeds in a saucepan. Add a glass of water to it and bring it to boil. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. When the white starch begins to appear and flax seeds leaves its slimy texture, turn off the gas. Filter the mixture into a bowl while hot. Now you can keep it at room temperature to let its temperature down. After 5 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to this starchy slimy mixture. Mix well all the ingredients and make sure to have a smooth mask consistency as an end product. For the application, well comb and section your hair. Apply the mask to the scalp, hair roots and the entire length of your hair. Leave it on for an hour before washing it with lukewarm water. You can repeat this process once a week to leave your hair naturally straight for the whole week. Do try this one-day wash challenge for straight, frizz-free and shiny hair. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.